Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Splice. Splice Video Editor and Maker is a powerful yet beginner-friendly mobile video editing app that lets you create professional-looking videos directly from your phone. With a simple drag and drop control, build smooth transitions and text tools, Splice makes editing quick and easy even if you're new to video editing. Whether you're making a content for any of the socials or personal memories, Splice help you turn raw clips into polished video into minutes. So first you need to open to your app of your Splice. If you do not have a Splice app, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And after that, once you reach into this interface of the Splice app, what you can do is tap on the new project in the bottom, and from here you need to tap any of the photo or the videos you want to include. You can select multiple clip as well just by tapping on it, and after that in the top right corner we can find this next icon. You need to tap on the next icon and this is it. Now your clips will appear on the timeline. From here you can trim or split clips, add music, insert text or tiles, add transition, and you can rename your project as well. And once your project is created, you're officially inside the editing workspace. From here you can customize everything and export your finished video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.